Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay at a gas station. Apple Pay is a fast, secure, and convenient way to pay for fuel without needing to insert your physical credit or debit card. Whether you're filling up your car for the first time using Apple Pay or simply want a quicker checkout experience, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, before you head to the gas station, make sure your Apple Pay is already configured on your iPhone. So, open your wallet app and verify that at least one debit or credit card has been added if you haven't signed up yet. So you see, I have to manually add my debit card to my wallet. Okay, all I have to do is you need to tap the plus icon and follow the prompt to add your preferred payment method. Once your card has been fully verified, you're ready to make the contactless payment. Now, when you arrive at the gas station, I want you to look for the contactless payment symbol on the fuel pump or payment terminal. Many major gas stations support Apple Pay directly at the pump, while others may require you to pay inside the convenience store. If you are unsure, check the payment terminal or ask a station employee. Now, after that, park next to the appropriate pump and remove the fuel nozzle if required by the station, because some pumps may ask you to authorize payment before you begin fueling, while others may prompt you after selecting your fuel grade. Now you need to activate the Apple Pay. If you're using an iPhone, double press the side button, authenticate using Face ID or your passcode, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader, and then keep your device near the reader for a few seconds. You'll usually hear a beep and then see a check mark on your device or receive a payment confirmation message. Once approved, the gas pump will unlock and allow you to begin fueling. And of course, after fueling is complete, you may have the option to print a receipt at the pump. You can also view the transaction inside the wallet app or through your bank's mobile app. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay at a gas station. As long as the station supports contactless payments and you've already set up Apple Pay, the process only takes a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.